Let us solve one problem to find derivatives at a value which is at the end of the table, but it is not in the table. Okay. So the question is, find the first and second derivatives at x equal to 1.3 from the following data. Okay, so your x and y values are, x values are 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2, and the y values are 0.3989, 0.3521, 0.2420, 0.1295, 0.0540, and your del values minus 0.0468, minus 0.1101, minus 0.1125, minus 0.0755. The next del square y, first two cells are empty. We already have calculated these values in the last problem, so I am just rewriting the backward difference table. Minus 0.0024. This one can you see properly? I am rewriting minus 0.0633, and this one is 0.037. This is positive. Then in del cube y column, you have only two values and both are positive. 0.0609, 0.0394, and the last one del 4y, you will have only one value, that is minus 0.0215. Okay, all of you already have this table with you. Now what is xn here in this table?
1.3.
No, it is x. It is x. 1.3 is your x. We will not set this as our xn. We will use the original xn as it is. 1.3 does not lie in the table. Do you understand this? Is it there in the table actually? 1.3? No.
No.
So you will keep 1.3 as x and you will keep 2 as your xn. You will not keep x equal to xn equal to 1.3. Do you understand the difference between this problem and the previous one?
Yes, ma'am.
In the previous one, we had 1.5 and that is actually in the table. So we set that equal to xn and the corresponding differences we had considered. Now we will consider 2 as our xn, which is originally given to us as xn. This is my yn. This is my del yn, del square yn, del cube yn. So up to which order I have backward differences available? Up to which order? Fourth, right? So our formula will go up to fourth order. Is that okay? So first I have to calculate u. So here x is 1.3, xn is equal to 2 and h is equal to 0.5. and therefore what is u? U is x minus xn upon h. So it is 1.3 minus 2 upon 0.5, that is minus 0.7 upon 0.5, that is minus 7 by 5. Is that okay? Minus 7 by 5 is okay? Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, anyone has any doubt? Anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now we will be using the formula of dy by dx, which involves or I should not write, I should not put this brackets. Okay, we can. X equal to 1.3, na? So what is the formula? Now this formula must involve u. What is the formula? Dy by dx का formula which involves u.
1 upon
Del
x.
yn.
Huh?
Del yn.
Del yn. Now remember backward का यूज करना है हमें प्लस
2u plus 1
2u plus 1 upon 2 del square yn
yn plus 3u square plus 6u plus 2.
upon 3 factorial is 6 into del cube yn plus this formula will go up to 4th order, okay? Plus what? 4u cube plus 18u square plus 22u plus 6 upon 4 factorial is 24 into del raised to 4yn. Okay, do not put any dot now. So this is your formula. H is 0.5 into bracket. What is del yn now? What is del yn?
Minus 0.075.
Minus 0.0755 plus 2u plus 1. So 2 into bracket minus 7 by 5 plus 1 upon 2 into 0.037. Correct है क्या?
Yes.
Plus 2 into minus 7 by 5 plus 1 नहीं, sorry, ये पूरा multiply किया है हमने. So that will become 3 into bracket minus 7 by 5 का square plus 6 into bracket minus 7 by 5 plus 2, ये पूरा bracket में है, divided by 6 into 0.0394. Right? Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 4 into bracket minus 7 by 5 cube plus 18 into bracket minus 7 by 5 square plus 22 into bracket minus 7 by 5 plus 6, the whole thing divided by 24 and into ये पूरा into क्या है लास्ट डिफरेंस हमारा कितना आ रहा है -0.0215 एंड ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट. Tell me as you finish. Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Girls, I have a doubt. Do you really write, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If yes, it's very good. Yeah. So now I'm going to erase here itself the upper part so that I can get the terms easily. Okay. So I'm going to substitute, evaluate the values. So this was our formula dy by dx. Now let us continue. Dy by dx is equal to, at x equal to 1.3 you can write. So 1 upon 0.5 is how much? 2, na? So it is minus 0.0755. Now this will become plus or minus? Minus 14 by 5 plus 1. I'm talking about this numerator. Minus 14 by 5 plus 1 is minus 9 by 5. So that whole thing will become minus 9 by 10. Minus 9 by 10 into 0.037. Okay, ये simplify हुआ है अभी. You can rewrite this as plus and in the bracket minus 9 by 10. ओके देन प्लस, ये फर्स्ट टर्म हो गई, सेकेंड टर्म हो गई, अभी थर्ड टर्म करनी है. थर्ड टर्म मुझे कोई बता सकता है सिंप्लीफाई करके? 3 इंटू 49/25 माइनस 42/5 प्लस 2. सो इसे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसे 25 से करना है. सो 3 इंटू 49 विल बी 147 minus 210 plus 50 divided by 25. Nobody is telling me. I am only solving alone. Yes, anyone can tell me. 197 minus 210 upon 25. So that will be minus 13.
Minus 0.0143.
No calculation ऐसे मत बताओ मुझे. I am writing in fractions. Minus 13 upon 25 and into 1 upon 6 जो है वो divided by 6 into 0.0394. ये मेरा ये वाला टर्म हो गया. अभी लास्ट टर्म मुझे करना है. लास्ट टर्म में है 4 इंटू माइनस 7/5 क्यूब. व्हाट इज क्यूब ऑफ 7? 49 इंटू 7 कितना आता है?
343.
343.
ओके, सो 343 इंटू 4 1200 and 172. 1372 वो माइनस हो जाएगा अपॉन 5 क्यूब इज 125 minus 126 upon 25 minus नहीं this will become plus then minus 154 upon 5 plus 6 तो ये कितना होता है ये बताओ पूरा आंसर कितना आता है मुझे This is 25 fives are, this is 25, this is 125 into 6. तो ये आ जाएगा -1372 plus 126 into 5 would be 630. 630 minus 154 into 25. Satche Pannas divided by 125. So this will become minus 3842 upon 125 into 1 upon 24 तो आएगा वो and into minus 0.0215 ये मेरा यहाँ तक आंसर आया है okay I have simplified it a lot now please do this calculation and tell me the final answer this is minus 0.0755 माइनस अभी ये 10 से करूंगी मैं तो -9 इंटू 0.0037 हो जाएगा ये दिस विल बिकम minus 13 upon 15 इंटू 0.00394 हो जाएगा मैंने 10 से डिवाइड किया इसको ओके and the last term okay चल ले एक मिनट yes girls so will you complete these calculations students will you complete this calculation do you hear me
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये पूरा जो कुछ है देखो मैंने अब यहाँ तक आपको करके दिखाया है
Ma'am,
हाँ
मैम उसका आंसर 0.188 है क्या कुछ ऐसा
नहीं अभी ये मैंने मेरे मन से दिया है विपाशनी ओके so cross check you have to cross check among yourselves only So I just wanted to show the difference between two types of derivatives. One is the derivative at a value which is actually in the table. The other one is which is not in the table. Okay. And where does it lie in the beginning or at the end? Accordingly, you have to use forward or backward differentiation. So totally how many formulae, again I am repeating it. How many formulae we have studied in this chapter? 12. Right? Yes? How many
Yes,
formulae
ma'am.
studied? 12.
ma'am. 12.
12 में से 6 are for forward and 6 are for backward. इसमें से भी 3 and 3 where u is 0 and u is not 0. Here also u is 0 and u is not 0. Okay. So this finishes chapter number. Which chapter number we had? I think it must be chapter number 6. Okay.
Chapter number 6.
Yeah, we have finished with numerical differentiation.